Hey guys, if your Fortnite game is getting stuck on the loading screen, then keep watching, as in this video I'm going to show you a few solutions. So the first thing we need to do is just head over to the Epic Games launcher, and from the Epic Games launcher click on Library in the left hand side, scroll down until you find your Fortnite game, and then we're going to select these three horizontal dots, scroll down and click on Manage, and then you want to click on this Verify button. So that should only take a few seconds to complete. You just need to wait for this to get to 100%, and once that's finished you can try launching up the game and checking to see if that solved your issue. Now if that's not working, what you'll need to do is head over to the Start menu on your computer and search for Run, and then click on the Run icon. In this box here you just want to type in the word temp and hit enter, and then from here we're going to delete all of these files and folders. So you just need to press Ctrl A on your keyboard to select everything, and then right click and select the trash icon to delete it. If you get this message pop up, select Do this for all current items and hit continue, and you may have a few files and folders left over, which is absolutely fine. You can close out of this window, and then you'll need to head back over to the Start menu, search for Run again and click on the Run icon. In this box here type in %, local app data %, and hit enter, and then scroll down until you see the Fortnite game folder and double click this, double click on Saved, double click on Config, click on Windows Client, and in here you should see a file called game user settings.ini. Now all you're going to do is right click on this file and click on Properties, and you want to make sure that this read only box is unchecked like so, and then press Apply and OK. Once you've done that, you can close out of this window, head back over to the Epic Games, and you can try launching Fortnite to see if that solved the issue. If it's still not working, another thing you can try is clicking on the three horizontal dots, selecting Options, and then just press in this big blue Apply button down here. Then we're going to come over to the Start menu and search for Settings, and then click on the Settings window. From the left hand side select System, click on Display, and then scroll down to the Display Resolution, and you want to make sure this is set to its recommended numbers. So for my computer that's going to be 920 by 1080, and you also need to do the same for Scale as well. Make sure it's set to the recommended number, and then you can close out of this window. Now finally, the last thing you're going to do is head over to your computer, click on the C drive, click on Program Files x86, scroll down and click on Epic Games, click on the Launcher, Engine, double click on Binaries and then Win64, and then you need to scroll all the way down until you see the Epic Games Launcher.exe, and what we're going to do is right click on this and select Properties, and then click on the Compatibility tab, and you want to make sure Disable Full Screen Optimizations and also Run this program as administrator are both ticked, and then press Apply and OK. Then what you're going to do is head over to the Epic Games Launcher, click on the three horizontal dots next to Fortnite, select Manage, and then next to Installation you want to click on this folder icon to open the install location. Now from here double click on Fortnite game, click on Binaries, Win64, and then scroll all the way down until you see Fortnite Launcher.exe, and we're going to right click on this, click on Properties, click on Compatibility, and once again make sure Disable Full Screen Optimizations and Run this program as administrator both ticked, and then press Apply and OK. And you're also going to do the same for this Fortnite client Win64 shipping. So we're going to right click on this, click on Properties, click on Compatibility, and make sure both of these options are checked and press Apply and OK. Then finally what you need to do is restart the Epic Games launcher. Now make sure you've closed out of it on the taskbar as well by right clicking and selecting Exit, and then all you simply need to do is relaunch the Epic Games launcher, and you can try firing up Fortnite, and that should have now fixed any loading issues you were getting. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next